This is Groove as One, the Globe Year-End Party 2024.
Heartfelt thank you for all of the support, for all of the teamwork, for all of the hard work this past year. There's more we need to do. Let's do it together. Take on 2025 with a challenger mindset. Let's reinforce collaboration and let's have fun doing it. Thank you. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year.
I just wanted also to take advantage of this opportunity to thank you. This will be my last Christmas party with you as your Globe CEO. This has been an exhilarating and a truly fulfilling 16 and a half years with you. Napakarami nating narating. And I'm glad to see that the purpose of really truly uplifting Filipino lives is very well alive in this company, alive in your hearts. So, ako nagpapasalamat. I'm sure it's not the last time I'll see all of you. I hope that you will continue the mission that we have set for ourselves. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat.
Good afternoon, mga ka-Globe! It's super excited to be here with you. It's been another year, and I'd like to welcome everyone to our year-end party. In behalf of the Globe leadership team, we thank you for all of your contributions in 2024, but together, let us welcome 2025 with open arms so that we can do this all over again as we groove as one.
First of all, thank you po sa lahat ng leads. I can't thank you enough all po. Maraming salamat po kasi big help siya to rebuild our house. Thank you po.
Thankful po ako, especially kay Lord. Thank you for the provision, Lord. And surrounding me by kind-hearted people like all of you guys. Especially Miss Beck, always reminding me how faithful is our God is.